Hello, Kaizer Chiefs family. I have some updates for you on the players that are currently that have potential to sign for Kaizer Chiefs, which are Faisal Salum, Seminkosi Lodge, Keisha Smailula, and also Sipombule. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel and like the video. Kuyangisiza kakhulu, please subscribe. Ngiyabonga. So, a few days back, I saw this a post made by Lorenz, Lorenz, yeah, the intatheli le yala South Africa ekhuluma ngebhola, which he was stating that some of is it representatives of Faisal Salum uh, are, are about to come here in South Africa to discuss the matter of Faisal Salum. I was excited to see those news, but then I remembered that this guy is not reliable. And then I remembered that Mickey Jr. posted a few weeks back stating that this is, I quote his post, Casey never came back to us again since their $300,000 offer for Faisal Salum was rejected. This post was posted in 29 April. You can go and check lapha ku-Mickey Jr. Ulamazwi uthi ashiwo i-management of i-Azam, i-team ka-Faisal Salum. So according to Mickey Jr., Kaizer Chiefs never came back after their first bid of Faisal Salum, which was $300,000. So let's hope they can go back and make another offer for Faisal Salum. And those news by Lawrence were not really true. So yeah, I think he deleted the post because I went back to check for it. The post was not there, but I had a screenshot that conversation, so I can make a video with it. Then compare it to Mickey Jr. Mickey Jr. has been so reliable to us. He broke the Inasho Miguel story. He broke the, who else? The Lilepo story, yabo. So he's been reliable to us. He's a reliable source. He's the one source that we can rely on as Kaizer Chiefs fans. Another players that I want us to talk about is Lodge and Cassius Mailula. So apparently, Lodge and Cassius Mailula are loaned lapha kwi-Wydad from Lodge from Sundowns, Cassius Mailula from Toronto, and they are both running out of contracts by the end of this season, so they will be free agents. Now the question is, should Kaizer Chiefs go and sign these guys as free agents? Also, Wydad, they look like they are interested in signing them as free agents. They say they like them, so I think Wydad will go out for Cassius Mailula and also Thembinkosi Lodge. I won't blame them, but for me, I would really love to see Cassius Mailula lapha kwi-Kaizer Chiefs. Also Thembinkosi Lodge, but I don't think it will be possible. Akekho umuntu ongashiya one of the big clubs and come to Kaizer Chiefs, who are fighting for top 8, yabo. And also I think Wydad they will offer Cassius Mailula and Lodge some good money too. So I don't think they will come to Kaizer Chiefs if Wydad are interested to them. As you know, their coach Rolani is definitely going out lapha Wydad this season. So there's they were expected to follow him, but now Wydad they are interested to them, both of them. So I think Wydad will sign them, and in a free transfer, yeah, it's hard. I would really love to see these guys like Penachurena, but now things are even more tougher for us. But let's jump into Sipho. I've just heard news that Sipho Mbule will be a free agent by the end of this season. He's currently loaned out to Skukune from Mamelodi Sundowns, and his contract with Mamelodi Sundowns is ending in June, so he will be a free agent. I really love Sipho Mbule. He's a good player. He controls the game. He's a bull. He has a physique, but the problem is his discipline. Akanayo discipline Dwamchitsa. He's always, not always, but he it happens that he comes to training drunk and stuff, yabo. So I don't think we need that kind of attitude lapha eNaturena. Sinenkinga vele eningi. For umuntu onjengoMbule, he will come and influence these youngsters, and then what? All of the sudden Kaizer Chiefs igcwele iy'dakwa. So I really love Sipho Mbule to come to Kaizer Chiefs unless unless he's willing to change and become a man, because usemdala manje. He shouldn't be behaving the way he's behaving with his career. I hope he can change, and then we can take him to Naturena and witness the MasterChef football laphana. Cabang combination yakhe with Thabo Cele, you see, with likes of Thabo Cele and Machine, and even Faisal Salum if he gets him. So Sipho Mbule is a great player, but his discipline will really destroy our team lapha eNaturena. But I really love to see Sipho Mbule coming to Naturena no matter what. But his discipline is not a good one. But you can leave your comments below and tell me what you think about Sipho Mbule's situation. Should we sign him and then offer him some good therapy sessions, and also give me your opinions on Thembinkosi Lorch and Cassius Mailula. Yeah guys, so I think I've covered all. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment below. Thank you bafethu. Ngicela ningisize so I can grow my channel to 1K subscribers. Thank you so much for watching.